Today, can you briefly introduce yourself?
I'm Rayalyn Ortega. I am 4 years graduate animal science and animal production,
Mm-hmm.
and I am 29 years old. I am a single, and I am living in Negros Occidental, Manila, Philippines.
Okay.
Uh,
You mentioned that you are college graduate. Is this undergraduate or graduate?
I am a graduate of 4 years course, ma'am.
4 years course. Okay, what is the course about?
This is like veterinary, madam. This is animal science major in animal production.
Okay, it's like a medicine for the animals, right?
No,
The
ma'am.
health.
Yeah, madam. Yes, like veterinary, madam.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. So I think you're a pet lover.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, I see. Where are you now? May I know your location now?
I'm in Muscat, Oman.
Oh man, okay.
Muscat, man.
Okay, and currently you are taking care of 14 years old girl. What is your daily duty? What you need to do? Like what time you wake up? What you need to do a day? Can you tell me?
Every day we are waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and then 7 o'clock we are going in the school. We are bringing the youngest in the school, and then when I came back, I start cleaning. And then when they wake up already, that time also cleaning in the room inside until lunchtime, and then afternoon we have rest 2 hours,
Mm.
and then after that dinner, and then until evening. We also working when they are still awake. We are still working that time, like 11 o'clock in the evening, like that.
Okay, I see. So do you need to go marketing by yourself?
Before, mom, my first employer, we are going in the market with the driver, but here we are not going in the market, only the driver.
I see. Do you have your own room or you need to share a room with the other coworker?
Yeah, we are sharing, mom, with my colleague here. We have sharing room,
Sharing the room.
but
She's
me
also
and my colleague
Filipino.
only. Before, mom, I have here with the Filipino, but now she is Nepal, the other housemate.
I see. And before you went to Lebanon before. You take care of 8 months old kid and 7 years old, 9 years old.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Do you know because you're single? Do you have boyfriend?
No, mom, I don't have.
Oh, okay, okay. And then so what will you do with the kid? Like 7 years old, 9 years old. What kind of activity? If the employer not at home, what will you do with the kid?
They are only playing, madam, or sometimes we are going in the park. We are playing there with the children. And
Mm,
then sometimes they have activity like swimming or because they are athlete, the two
mm.
kids.
Yeah, it's similar with Hong Kong. The employer will ask you to bring the kid to extra activity, also send them school like this. Can you tell me what will you do if the kid, maybe just only you and the kid at home, and the kid not feeling well, maybe having like high temperature, fever. So what will you do?
I will take care of her, madam. I will keep her the towel with the cold water, in
Mm-hmm.
the towel. And
Mm-hmm.
then, of course, I will check time to time if what is the temperature for her.
Okay, so
So I will.
if you're only one at home, but your employer doesn't know the kid is having fever, so what will you do?
I will inform them on the time, madam,
Mm.
so they will know. So they can come and then they can check also the kids.
Okay, will you just give the medicine to the kid without instructions from the employer?
Yes, madam. I will give the instruction,
Mm.
but I will not give if they will not give also instruction for me.
Okay, nice. And why you want to come Hong Kong?
I want to come Hong Kong, ma'am, because I think there is a good salary because here, yeah, it's not enough.
Yes,
I
I
cannot
know.
save money.
Yes, I know. And I know you're a single, so do you have any plans of getting married or having a baby in the future?
Yeah, in the future, ma'am, I have, but now I don't think so because I want to still save money for the
Mm,
future also.
okay, I see. Okay, very nice. I know you're still working. Okay. Is this your uniform? Is this your working uniform?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
have tattoo? Is it? Is it tattoo?
Yeah, I have, ma'am. I have two tattoo, but the other one small only.
Okay. Is it visible? We can see it. The
This
one.
one only, madam, is
Okay.
visible.
Invisible. How
The
about the
other
other?
one here.
Okay. So you can cover.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye.